Honestly, I feel a little emotional because I feel like I am reminiscing what happened way back 2014. For the information of everyone, I am just only an avid fan of Queen of Antipolo, and I'm very thankful that this trans pageant in Antipolo gave me a motivation, a courage and determination to showcase and express myself to my family and all the people around me. And I'm very thankful for all the people behind this pageant. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Queen number 14.
Pero hindi pa yan ang question
Now
niya.
let's call.
Hindi pa pala.
Pick your question.
Alright, pick your question. You can read it first. Alright. Okay, give it to Miss Freya. Alright.
We are honored that the city of Antipolo and the city officials headed by Mayor June Henares are so welcoming of the transgender community. How do you see the transgender community in Antipolo City 10 years from now? I will repeat. We are honored that the city of Antipolo and the city officials headed by Mayor June Henares are so welcoming of the transgender community. How do you see the transgender community in Antipolo 10 years from now?
Thank you so much for that very interesting question. Allow me to answer it direct to the point. 10 years from now, I can see all trans women here in Antipolo City is fully transformed, empowered, and most importantly, inspiring, where they can be able to turn their voice into action. The best example of this is we have Kagawad Christine Ebardolasa, and we also have a livelihood leader, which is Ate Shane Pereno, who keep touching and uplifting the life of other people. And most importantly, the judge that is sitting there. We have a trans women doctor who is sitting there right now, proving that our sexuality will never ever be the hindrance in order for us to make a huge difference in the community. Let's always put in our mind that we trans women are not ordinary people. We are extraordinary people. Because of the contribution that we made to the growth of the society. And I am here, standing tall in front of you as a medical student who sooner be someone who can uplift, change the life of other people, where discrimination has no place in Antipolo City. Kaya tayo na sa Antipolo.
Very well said, Queen number 14.
Alright.
Our queens are really proving